Let us solve the fifth question of exercise 4.3. So now it says the perimeter of a rectangle is 80 meter and the area of that rectangle is 400 meters square. So now we know what is the perimeter of a rectangle, isn't it? So 2 into L plus B is equal to 80 meter. Now then what is the area of a rectangle? It is L into B is equal to 400 meters square. So substituting that we get this. So now here L plus B, or the sum of length and breadth, can be written as 80 upon 2, which is equal to 40 meter, right? So from this, when I get L, okay, when I extract L or the length from this, so length can be written as 40 minus B, which is equal to L. So therefore, mark this as first equation and this as the second equation. Okay, substituting this equation in this area formula, what do we get? So L into B is equal to 400, right? Now L is already 40 minus B. So substitute in place of L 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Then B into 40 gives me 40B minus B into B is B square equal to 400. So now rearranging the terms, okay, and shifting all of them to one side, we get B square minus 40B plus 400 equal to 0. Now the factors of 400 will be minus 20 and minus 20 in such a way that the middle factor or the middle term is minus 40. Okay, so now here, considering the first two, B is common, so B out, B minus 20, and here 20 is common, so minus 20 out and into B minus 20 equal to 0. So therefore B minus 20 and B minus 20 equal to 0 are the factors. Equating each of them to 0, we get B is equal to 20 meter. And what is B? It is the breadth. So if B is equal to 20 meter, then how can we find out the length? We can instead substitute L is equal to 40 minus B, right? So 40 minus 20 meter, which is equal to 20 meter. So for a rectangle, it is not possible for the length and breadth to be the same or to be of equal dimensions, right? If they are same, it is impossible for it to be a rectangle, but it can be called a square.